Wait.
Hi, I'm a white nerd from America. Yeehaw! Actually, I'm from Texas. Texas, Alley. So, what are you doing today? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, what the, who the heck did that?
What you looking at, boo? What you looking at? I said, what you looking at? What's this camera here? I'm gonna beat your white nerd friend up. Get up here. Come on, get up here. Come on. Okay, whoa.
What do you want from me?
I won't beat you up, boo. I want your money. He's like, well, you're not gonna get it. Boom. I got him by the foot. Boom. Bam. That's right, fool. That's right. I beat you up. Boo. Boo.
What the heck are you?
I am God. I am here. I am here to tell you that beating up is not right. What are you talking about, God? I'm gonna go get my friend now. Hey buddy.
And that's why, children, today everybody should be friends throughout the world. Hooray! Wait.
Wait, before we gotta get the happy picture.
Hooray! See ya.
Wait.